Hey everybody, welcome to 105 and Circle here in T, South Dakota. Look at this porch. This is beautiful. If I lived here, I would enjoy my morning cup of coffee while just enjoying life. This beautiful fresh air on the fall morning. So as you can see, we are in a cul-de-sac area and you'll see a little bit more of that later. We're right across the street from the park, from the pool. Perfect summer vibes here. Come on, let's check out inside. Okay, as we walk in, we're here to the open floor plan of the living room. You can see all this natural light we have. This is perfect for entertaining guests. Maybe you throw a TV here and have that Sunday afternoon football. As you'll see here, we'll walk in as well to the dining room and the kitchen. We've got this beautiful island here, perfect for all those Sunday football game treats you're gonna share with all your friends. And we have stainless steel appliances, beautiful cabinetry, all this space for everything you need here. So when you walk into the dining room kitchen area, you're gonna see the slider out to this huge porch. All right, let's go check out the bedrooms. On this main floor, we have 2 bedrooms. We've got the guest suite over here. They're gonna share this beautiful bathroom and we're gonna walk into the primary. Very spacious. We got the light looking out into the beautiful backyard and we've got 2 closets. Okay, let's check out the basement. Okay, so right as we come down those stairs here, you're gonna see we have this beautiful bonus nook, right? This can be used as an office if you're working from home. If you got littles, maybe this is the perfect craft area for you and doing that nightly homework. So let's check out the family room here. You're gonna see we've got some cabinets for those board games because we know family game nights are so important. And we've got a beautiful gas fireplace and tons of space here to kind of turn this into, you know, whatever you're wanting. And over here, you're gonna see we have this 3rd bedroom on the basement floor here. Tons of natural light, double closet doors. This is perfect for a guest or your teenager, you never know. And over here, we're gonna have this other bathroom. We got beautiful details here. Look at the walls, the lights, very bright in here. It's amazing. Hey, you guys have any dogs? Let's go check out that beautiful fenced-in backyard. Hey everybody, this is my sidekick Coda. I brought her today because if you are a dog lover, check out this dog ramp. Come on, Coda. All right, as you'll see, we have this beautiful fenced-in backyard paradise. We're sitting on a little over 1/3 of an acre. It is beautiful. This is closed off. It is such a haven for you and your furry friend to relish in. So as you'll see, we're gonna head over here. We've got the stone patio and a built-in fireplace. And right up here, you can head in to the 2-stall garage. 105 and Circle, T, South Dakota. We're right across from the park and the pool, and we're centrally located here to all 3 schools in T. Have any questions, want to schedule a tour? Reach out directly to David Shelton at 605-906-8976 or call the Century 21 Advantage office to reach me at 605-336-2121. Can't wait to see you.